If you won't forget my name, not today, not tomorrow. Kinda strange, feeling sorrow like a change.